Hello students. Today we will learn how to read a recipe and understand its structure. Reading recipes carefully is very important in the kitchen because it helps you prepare food correctly and efficiently. A recipe usually has three main parts: ingredients, quantities, and cooking steps. Some recipes also include tips or notes to improve the dish. The first part is the ingredients list. It tells you everything you need for the dish. Each ingredient has a quantity. For example, a recipe for vegetable soup may ask for 500 grams of chicken, 2 carrots, 1 onion, and a teaspoon of salt. Before you start cooking, always check the ingredients to make sure nothing is missing. This step helps you avoid mistakes and saves time while cooking. The second part is the cooking steps. These steps are usually numbered or use sequence words like first, next, then, finally. The steps explain what to do with the ingredients. Most recipes use imperative verbs in this section. Imperatives are commands that tell you exactly what to do. For example, chop the onions, boil the chicken, stir the soup, bake the bread. Using imperatives makes it easier for cooks to follow the instructions correctly. Recipes also include cooking methods and tools. Some common cooking methods are boiling, frying, steaming, baking, grilling, and roasting. Recipes also tell you which tools to use, such as a pot, pan, whisk, oven, or steamer. Using the correct cooking method and tool helps make the food taste good and look nice. For example, boiling vegetables makes them soft, steaming keeps them healthy, and frying makes them crispy. Finally, recipes may have notes or tips. These notes can explain how to adjust the taste, cooking time, or substitute ingredients. Following the notes helps cooks improve the flavor and appearance of the dish. Reading a recipe carefully is important for all chefs and assistant chefs. By checking ingredients, following steps, using the right tools, and paying attention to tips, you can cook efficiently and prepare a delicious meal every time. Remember, understanding a recipe is a skill that every chef should learn. It saves time, avoids mistakes, and ensures the dish is cooked correctly. Always read carefully before you start cooking.